ये है क्लिप्स चैनल, जहां पे आप मनी माइंडसेट, AI और ट्रेडिंग और इन्वेस्टिंग के बारे में बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हैं। सो सब्सक्राइब नाउ।
I want to ask you a question and I want you to answer really honestly. चाहे वो आपके head में ही क्यों ना हो. When was the last time you spent money on yourself? I mean, really on yourself. Not on the house, not on the children, not on something practical that did not feel guilty. अगर आप वैसे ही most Indian women के जैसे हो जिनके साथ मैंने काम किया है, the answer would be you can't remember. Or the last time was so long ago that it doesn't count. And here's what I want you to know today. That the guilt is not you. That guilt was installed in you, maybe before you were 7 years old. And until you find it and rewrite it, it'll keep costing you. और ये cost आप सिर्फ पैसों में नहीं भर रहे, but also the kind of life that you actually deserve. You know, मैंने बहुत सालों बिताए learning this. I've trained under the best of the best coaches. But the deepest work that I've done is not with the women out of the country. It is with the Indian women. And there's one belief every single one of us inherits. And it's that belief this video is about. So let me show you what it is. Here is the belief. Somewhere between the ages of 2 and 7, most Indian girls learn something without anyone saying it. We learn it by watching, by listening to the conversations we weren't supposed to hear, and by seeing who reached for the wallet at the shop and who did not. What we learn is this, that money is not for us perhaps. Money is for the family. Money is for the husband to handle. पैसा वो है जो हमारे father earn करते हैं ताकि हमें एक अच्छा जीवन मिल सके. And later हमारे husbands जो earn करते हैं to continue giving us a good life. Some of you may resonate with this, some of you may not. But this is the story of every Indian woman. So listen to carefully if this resonates with you. But our relationship with money, our own decision, that's a strange, uncomfortable, and slightly embarrassing thing. You know, wanting more money for ourselves is greedy. Spending money on ourselves is selfish. Talking about money with confidence is unfeminine. किसी ने हमें ये चीजें directly नहीं बताई. Nobody had to. हमने ये सारी चीजें absorb कर दी, just like हम हवा breathe करते हैं. And by the time हम लोग 7 साल के हुए, 9 साल के हुए, ये बस हमारे जीवन का हिस्सा बन गई. So इस वीडियो में हम women की 3 पैटर्न्स के बारे में बात करेंगे.
थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। अगर आपको ऐसे और क्लिप्स देखने हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।